Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Lympung Ilek Sports Jongi Kena School ke Bajulong Manla Usnem. Ia ke tip kum ke district level inter-school athletic meet. Kelas Sdang hak apply truk uyayong Hamadan Nong Pathar Outdoor Stadium, West Khasi Hills District. Ia kini ke Lympung inter-school ke balai pau jong ke West Khasi Hills lepenya da ke office jong district sports officer hak bauba S Masar executive engineer PWD Road Nongstan Division lolong ukong san wan pili perda haringkat ke jingadan lang jong kong balarina CM di SO West Khasi Hills. Mentaus nem bidan apun rutli school na ka district ke belawan benyishim benta hak di ke Lympung ke banne laising linter bat berok ke noi leka kidan kumba kandai spa san hu arngun AA.
Till this very day, I am sure that he will be with all of you during these 3 days of this sport competition in which the district sport office of the district sport officer have organized. So at this very juncture, I also would like to say a few words regarding the importance of sport. Sports, as we are all know, it is very important to each one of us, as being active in sport will not only enhance our physical fitness, but it will also boost up our mental health. There is a saying that physical health and mental health, they are interconnected with each other. Because when you have a healthy body, that means you will also be mentally strong, and then you will be able to perform better in your academic studies. So I take this opportunity to urge and to request all the students here to take active parts in sports. It may be in any discipline. Some players are good in football, some players are good runners, some players are good in long jump or high jump. It may be any type of sport, but as long as you can stay physically fit by taking part in sport. That will be very good for your overall growth, especially in education. Sports policy in 2019. Going through this book, there is a word that says that the government of Meghalaya believes that participation in sports and games improves the well-being and quality of life and brings harmony, and also it promotes the economic activities. The government also, as we all know, from time to time, from year to year, it has spent a huge amount of money as a cash prize to successful sports person every year. And besides, the government has also provided some percentage in a job quota, in a government job. So we do have a great hope that with the initiative and the support of the government, sport person will be able to get a job opportunity in future. This will surely promote sport further, and maybe one day Meghalaya will produce good athletes and good sports person who will bring laurels to the state.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor to unfurling the flag.